this little clip, I'm gonna show you how to remove the old one and put on a new roof vent cap. Come with me. So this right here is the roof cap that we're gonna be changing. What we're gonna do is we're gonna pull off the top piece first, and then we're gonna pull off, we may not have to pull off the base because I think the new one will actually just slide right on. So we're gonna start by just pulling off this top cover right here. So it would appear as though we're gonna have to pull this cover off because the new vent slides right on top of that. So let's get cracking with that. Now you want to be a little bit careful when you're doing this because you can also cut your roof.